I am on my way to Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore, and I am traveling to Kolkata. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So after 5 long months of ifs and buts, I am finally traveling to my hometown, Kolkata. In this video, I am going to take you along and tell you how you can smoothly travel to your hometown from Bangalore. Like most people, I was also skeptical and hesitant in traveling in this pandemic situation. My journey started from Whitefield, and believe me or not, we did not face a single signal until we reached the airport. While you book your ticket and before you start your journey, here's what I would like to share. When you book your flight ticket, it is advisable to book your seat as well by paying an additional amount of 250 to 500 INR depending on the seats you choose. If you are choosing the seat at the front of the flight till around 17th or the 18th seat, then the price would be 500 INR, and after that it is 250 INR per seat. The advantage is that you can choose your seat and be assured that if you are traveling 2 or 3 people, you can be together. Also, if you are choosing the middle seat, you need to wear a PPE kit that will be given by the airlines during boarding. Also, when you get the soft copy of your flight ticket, you will get the baggage tags also. So it is advisable to print and stick it on the bag. You can also collect the same from the kiosk at the airport. Once you reach the airport and just before you enter, there is an automated temperature checker. You have to take off your mask and face shield if you are wearing one, and face the machine where your picture is captured and body temperature is measured. After you clear that, you are guided to the entrance of the airport with stickers marked where you need to stand by maintaining social distance. At the entrance, you need to display your boarding pass and ID from behind a glass partition where the CISF Jawans are standing. First, display your boarding pass. After they had scanned, display your ID and remove the face shield or the mask that you are wearing. After the identity match, you will be asked to go inside the airport. The airport was pretty empty with very few people around. A complete different picture of Bangalore airport was seen. After you enter, you will find a weighing machine where you need to weigh your luggage, and if it is within the permitted limit, drop the baggage in the luggage counter. After that, head straight for security check. At the security checkpoint, display your boarding pass, iCard, and remove your mask to show your face. The security check was usual but rigorous than the previous times. Anything and everything they feel needs to be scanned again, they will ask you to rescan it. For example, I always have few coins or chiller in my purse, and I always get it scanned in the purse itself. But this time I was asked to empty all of the coins and rescan the handbag again. The security check took quite some time, much longer than it usually takes in the Bangalore airport. So after all that was done, we headed straight to the lounge. So how you can get access to the lounge in this pandemic situation and the do's and don'ts in the lounge, I'll cover in my next video. As you wait for your flight, alternate seats are only usable to maintain social distance. So make sure that you are sitting on the seats that are marked to be used. A lot of hand sanitizers are kept all around the airport, some of which are automated, while the others have foot peddlers. So sanitize as often as possible and maintain social distance. So as you can see right here, the airport is pretty empty, so it won't be difficult to maintain social distance. Finally, the airlines announce the boarding much before the time of the flight. As you reach your boarding gate, the first thing you need to do is to collect your kit with face shield, sanitizer and mask. If you are the one sitting at the middle seat, then they will give you a PPE kit as well along with the face shield, sanitizer and mask. The bus that takes you to the plane ensures maintenance of distance and carries very few people at a time. The airlines also make sure that you board the flight maintaining distance. The process of boarding took a longer time because not many passengers were allowed at the same time. In-flight refreshments are not available. The airlines will serve you only water if you ask for. Wearing the mask and face shield is compulsory for all passengers all along the journey, and also the passengers sitting at the middle seat, they have to wear the PPE all throughout the journey. We had taken 2 aisle seats next to each other. Since we travelled on a weekend, the flight was full, though I wasn't expecting it to be full. As you can see here, only few people were allowed to board the flight at a time, and others had to wait in a queue maintaining distance from each other. The process of deboarding also took a longer time. For deboarding, you have to remain seated until the passenger at the seat in front of you have taken out their hand luggages from the overhead bin. So as you can see here, all the passengers are trying to peep and look whether the deboarding have started or not, but has to remain seated. I have finally landed at the Kolkata airport, and as you can see, it's pretty empty, or rather fully empty. Only the passengers of our flight were there. Since deboarding took a long time, we did not have to wait for our luggage at the belt. As you exit, the temperature check is done, and you can dispose of your PPE kit, face shield and masks in the dustbin with appropriate labels. Though we both had downloaded Arogya Setu app on our phones, but it was not checked anywhere, neither in Bangalore nor in Kolkata. The weather in Kolkata was quite hot and humid. The temperature at Bangalore was around 22 degrees Celsius, whereas in Kolkata it was 28 with very high humidity. I hope this video was informative and useful for you if you are still at Bangalore and planning to travel to Kolkata in some time. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring to you more such videos. And until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.